Welcome back. I hope you missed me. I'm sure you did. Today, we're back with the fashion magazine to talk about something very important, and I think no one have made that before. And based on the suggestion we have had, we found that it's necessary to talk about what to wear and what to have as underwears. And I think we need to talk a little bit about the type of tissues, the color that could be very beneficial for your health and also protect your body. So stay with us till the end. We'll be having very fast tips to you, and I think they're not expensive, and I think everyone could have any advantage of this video. So stay with us. All right, the first thing I would like to mention before starting this video and tips, I would like to give a very serious recommendation. Avoid wearing dark bras during the daily activities, because to explain to you, if you wear a lot of black or very dark bras, will absorb the sun and the radiation, and could be very dangerous for your breast, and believe it or not, it could cause cancer. So during the day, and especially because of the pollution today, please pick up color that very neutral, white or brown, or your skin color actually, because those ones, and by the way, I'm not talking only about bras, even wearing black during the summer during the day, that's not good. That will absorb a lot of sun, and will be dangerous and toxic for your body. So try to pick up colors that very neutral during the daily basis, and avoid the dark colors during the morning. Please do that for me, because that's very simple to do, and that's very actually conscious to do today. Okay, let's dig into it. The first thing I would like to recommend is strapless bras. As you can see from the picture, those ones are very good for any type of ages. If you have generous breasts, if you don't have generous breasts, it doesn't matter. And especially if you're a mom, you're breastfeeding, etc., you need to let the blood circulation works very good for your body. And it's okay during the weekdays and working and the stress, you need to avoid wearing the bras that put a lot of pressure on your breast and also on your back. So those ones are the best choices. I'm gonna zoom in so you can see a little bit. I'm not giving sources, so you can pick up whatever you want. And those ones could be very good when you're wearing a lot of corset, or you're wearing a lot of like non-sleeve tops during the summer, and they actually stick to your body and they embody your breast, and it doesn't cause any problem. They don't go down, they don't go up. Best thing to do, avoid the butterfly shape, as you can show you here in the picture. Those one will go down, they do nothing. And best thing is to take always the oval one, because those ones will stick to your breast size and they will not move. And also you can breathe comfortably, and you will have no problem with that bra. You don't have to go up all the time on it and try to check if it's on its place. And the second thing I would like to talk about it, since a lot of people talked about how a bras could be difficult to choose, I would like to recommend those ones that they have kind of the V shape. Those ones actually, if you have a generous breast and it goes actually all over the place, it happens most of the time for all of us. I don't know, you need to run sometimes, you get robbed in the street and you want to run after the thief, so you can actually have those kind of bras. And those ones are very good if you're having a large size and you feel like it's very difficult for you to have a very nice breast. So try to pick up something with the V shape, not the heart shape, not actually the oval shape. That's not good. You will be always having a lot of pressure on the middle of your breast, and that's not good for your health. So try to avoid those ones. And those ones actually, as you can see from the back, they are not only one stripe, they actually try to put your back in its place, and it will look nice when you're wearing something in the summer. Especially we wear a lot of things that they are not thick. The next thing I would like to talk about it, because it's very hard to find a bra that you could wear with very open backs, especially for the dresses or the tops. So the best thing I would like to recommend is to find tapes. I shared with you those pictures because I hate those ones. Please avoid them. They are a fraud. They don't work. And actually they can work the first time, and then if you get sweated or you have some stress and you start to sweat, they actually go down and you have to put them back in their places all the time. They don't work, and especially if you don't have a small breast. They could work with a small breast, but with big ones they wouldn't work, to be honest with you. My favorite choice is those tapes, and I think those tapes, they are very flexible. You can do them as you want. If you have an open blazer, you want to wear different things and you want to feel like so comfortable, you don't want your tits to be out. And this is me sharing with you some ways how to stick them. They're very good. They stick, they don't actually move at all. And as you can see from the pictures, they can go in different styles, and I love those ones. And you can recycle, you can reuse them again, and they're not expensive. Okay, for number 2, I would like to talk about body underwears, one-piece underwears. My first recommendation for you: avoid buying one-piece underwears. Believe it or not, it doesn't do anything. And the second thing is, it's very hard for you to move or also to breathe. So the first thing you should do is to buy 2 pieces with high-waisted brief. I'm going to share with you the picture. You can tell it's like one piece. But the secret about those ones, they actually put all your stomach actually in a very good shape, and at the same time you can move easily, and you can put it down, you can put it up based on what you need. And those ones, they are not hard to find. And also sometimes you don't want to wear the same bra, or you want to wear just the second piece, so you have to stick with those ones. And I think also the body ones, that you should close them at the end between your legs. That's not very healthy. At the same time, they can cause you a lot of injuries and you can be hurt, especially in the summer. We get sweat very well, so avoid those ones. It's better for you to have more freedom, so you can go to the toilet or actually to sit in the right position. Okay, let's talk about sexiness. I have to talk about this one in every video. The first thing I would like to say as a secret: avoid the classic bras where there is the iron lines and they lie to you, they tell you those push-ups. By the way, the ones that you have to buy, as you can tell from the picture, they don't have the iron lines. Actually, they comes very soft, but their strips, you can move them and they can go up very easily. And the point of those ones, the secret is they push up your boobs very high and they will look very nice. So I'm gonna zoom in the picture so you can see. So try to pick up something that doesn't have a circular iron line, because those ones, they don't do anything, and rather pick up something that you can play with their strips very easily, and they can give you the aspect of a push-up. And the best choice also, you can find it in L, the brand L, or Victoria's Secret, or Skims, and I think Skims to me is the best one. All right, when it comes to the dresses, everyone get confused. Should I buy the skirt? Should I buy the short? Let me be clear, the most important thing is you buy something that is silk or cotton, because otherwise you're gonna have a heat and you're gonna feel uncomfortable and you're gonna be sweating, and you don't wanna like that. But my choices, if you ask me about my recommendation, because the dresses in the summer, whether you're slim and you think your body look nice, or you feel uncomfortable, it's better for you to buy the short. I will tell you why: because that will give a very nice sculptured body under that dress, and it's not gonna show a vulgar back, or it's actually, you don't want people to see your organs. That's not nice, to be honest with you. So the best thing is to choose something that is very soft. As you can see, the short, and also the color could be white or could be beige, because those ones work with different colors, even black, believe it or not. That will give you a very nice body. They will avoid having irritation between your legs. We all know that, and we have to talk about it. So it's better to have a short, and you're always ready to fight, ready to run, ready to sit like with the guys. It doesn't matter. So those are the best choices. But if you're going for very see-through, and I've spoken it before, the see-through dresses and robes, they are the trend. So if you want to wear those dresses, the best thing is to buy those silk simple dresses, and believe it or not, those people go with them to events today, and they look like 19s dresses. So you can wear something like that, maybe in black, as you can see from the picture. I love the white because it doesn't have sleeves. It's like a corset, and you can wear it with see-through dress. It will look very sexy in a very, very classy one. And those ones are very cold. You will feel very comfortable. You're not going to be sweating. Also, to give you more choices about the shorts, when you have white panties, it's better to combine that one with beige. Otherwise, it's going to be also a see-through, and that's not going to help. So buy one like this, and you can wear it with everything you want and everything you need. And I like those ones. They are available everywhere. And also, that will be very nice to have a very shape in the summer, and you will look like you have been practicing sports. I do that all the time. I don't even go to the gym. Alright, so the conclusion from this video, I'm gonna circle what are my favorite choices you need all the time with the clothes. Is going to be the boob tape and also the shorts, underwear shorts. Those are the best thing to buy. Don't spend your money on the other ones. They are fraud. They don't do anything. And also, you're not going to use them all the time. It's better to have 2 pieces. You use them all the time. You can wear everything you want. You don't have to think about it. Your body will be looking very good. As I said before, if you have a large size, avoid wearing those body underwears. They don't help. Buy 2 pieces with a very lifted brief, what is like the pennies, I mean. So those are the best. You will look so nice on those ones and you feel comfortable. And also with those choices, you can avoid wearing the plus size clothes. Wear a nice underwear that could stick your body in a very good shape, and wear whatever you want. You will look beautiful and you must try it. All right, I hope those choices will help you choose what you need. Buy them now, otherwise in the summer they're gonna be very pricey because they know we need them. So it's better for you to go now and buy something and keep it for years. And I hope really you try to find the best choices with you through this video. So enjoy your night, and I'll see you on our podcast. We'll be doing a podcast about relationship, so stay tuned. It will be posted tomorrow since everyone requested that one. I love you. Thank you for your support. Looking forward to hear from your interaction. Maybe I forgot something, you tell me. And see you soon. Kisses. Bye bye.